Hello gamers, today I'm going to show you how to unlock all characters on the Jump Force. Okay, you can see my characters now. I go to offline mode, offline battle. Okay, I go to here and enter to this menu. You can see my characters all open. All characters in Jump Force are open. 40 characters. In the beginning you just have maybe 10 characters. If you want to open this, okay, I will show you how to open these all characters in just 5 minutes. Okay, let's go back. In this free room, we can see on here there is 3 groups, 3 teams in this game: Team A and Team B and Team C. You need to enter all the team and talk to his leader first. Okay, the first go to Team A and find Goku, talk to Goku. Okay, if this is your first, there is another conversation from Goku to your hero. Okay, talk to Goku first. After talking to Goku, go to the other side. Okay, go to the right. Nice. Team B, talk to the leader. Okay, find Luffy here. Okay, talk to Luffy. It will be not like this, because if this is your first time meet Luffy, you will talk and see the video just like Goku. Now after going to Luffy, go to the last team in this team. Okay, and find the leader. Talk to Naruto. Find Naruto. Where is Naruto? That's him. Let's talk to him. Okay, if this is your first, you will see the video. Okay, after talking to Naruto, now the last one we need to find is the doctor, Okay, go to the left now. This no logo here. It's white in the door. Now find the doctor here, the director, not doctor. Yes, the director Glover. Talk to him and finish the mission. And the mission is it's only the tutorial, the training camp. It's very easy to finish. It's only 5 minutes maybe. And after that you will unlock all the mission, and you can unlock the all mission. After that you unlock all mission, and the all character is unlocked too. You can see like in my game here. Okay, where is the mission? You can enter to the event, and you can see here the mission is okay. You can enter to the mission too. All unlocked by that. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe for more tutorial about Jump Force and the other games. Thanks for watching.